Hello guys, let join me as I make something beautiful on myself. This cornrow was made by me on myself. This is a Ghana weaving cornrow. You can see how I'm blushing. I feel joy, I feel grateful for making this by myself without assistance. No, as I'm making this hair, the first thing I did was to section my hair into two equal parts, because I want to do a center part for myself. Guys, look at the cutting now. Let me know in the comment section if I try. Before you even watch the video to anywhere, just rate me first now. It's not easy. It's not easy. One thing about this life is that if you want to achieve something, just keep doing that same thing consistently. When I started braiding on myself, it wasn't easy. I almost gave up. Reason was that before I pick a hair from the beginning, before I reach the ending, my two hands will be paining me. I will just be like, how are these people doing it? Honestly, I want to know, how are these people really doing it? Because I can't just imagine the way I have not even finished one hair, my arms are paining me already, and someone is making tiny twisting on their hair. I say, God, I want to do this thing. As a hairstylist, it has been my dream. I said I want to make hair on myself. So I started doing it. I refused to give up. I keep pushing. But I can tell you now that no single style I cannot make on my hair. I can make any style at all you want me to do on myself without stress. Braiding Ghana weaving on myself was supposed to be one of the hardest ones, but because I'm used to making hair on myself, I'm braiding Ghana weaving on natural hair without stress. You can see it was so free, as if I'm braiding it on somebody's hair. That is the power of consistency. If you are watching this video and you have ever dreamed of making hair for yourself, you are a stay-at-home mom, or you are a hairstylist just like me, you have ever dreamed of making hair by yourself, I will encourage you to keep doing that little one you are doing on yourself. Keep doing it, because in no time you are going to start making something good, something beautiful. You can see the cutting of this hair. Guys, look at it now. Without assistance, this is me braiding the hand of the cornrow. I want to make it somehow bigger, though I don't like tiny hair on myself, because I will take down this hair in few days. That is why I like making my hair this way. I take them down few days because I love creating something new for myself. This is me getting what I'd ever desire for, because one thing is that as a hairstylist, we don't normally have time to go out to make our hair. That is why you see some hairstylists carrying a rough cornrow like that up and down. Not that they don't wish to look good, but because there is no time for them to go out and make their hair. But ever since I started making it by myself, any little space I have like this in my workshop, the next thing is to sit down in front of my mirror and create something good for myself. Guys, if you know I'm making sense, subscribe to this channel, because I'll be doing more of beautiful DIY hairstyle on myself. And if you want to recreate it, let me know. You are feel free to recreate it. It's not hard. I'm here to encourage you. It's not hard. Just start it now. Start that thing you want to do now. Be consistent with it. You will get there. I am where I am today because I refuse to give up. Braiding on my own self has been my dream, and I'm grateful because my dream is really coming into reality, guys. At this point, if it is where before I was supposed to be tired, but it look as if nothing is happening. I was just gisting and making my hair. People passing were like, why can't you allow your girls to do hair for you? I said no, I just feel like doing it by myself. Look at the cutting now, look at the braiding now, see how tight it is. You dey whine? Guys, just let me know your view, your observation. Are you going to try it? Are you going to recreate it on your hair? Let me know in the comment section if you are going to recreate it on your hair. That is why I keep doing my thing until I finish my braiding. That day it was not funny, but I'm grateful I did what I wanted to do. Even when a client working, I have to let her know that let me finish what I am doing on myself. It's very good I'm doing this. I really love it. It has been my dream, and I'm grateful it's coming to pass. Share this video so that I can get to other people that has dream of doing something by themselves, but the spirit of discouragement will not allow them. Just start it. Consistency matter a lot. Braiding on myself has been the help of consistency. Had it been I gave up, I wouldn't have get to where I am today. Though it might be little in the eye of some, but this is a great thing for me, because I know what I passed through when I was trying to make little Conrow myself. That was without extension, but now that I can make it with extension without stress, I should be able to be proud of it. I am proud of it. And if you are proud of what you are doing right now, let me know in the comment section. Help me to share this video. I'm a little hairstylist trying to grow. Help me to share this video, please, guys. Drop your comments and don't forget to give me a likes on this video. If you have watched it to this extent, it shows that you really like my video. I want to please give me a follow, give me a subscribe, and let's know in the comment section what you like about this braiding I'm doing, what you don't like about the braiding I'm doing, so that I'll be able to adjust. And let me know the next style you want me to create on myself. I said in my video earlier today that I love creating different hairstyle on myself. If you think I'm joking, you can drop a hairstyle for me to create. Please don't go and drop something that will take the whole day. I want something simple that I can do in less than 30 to 1 hour. That is me. I don't like taking too much time on making my own hair, because I don't know when a client will walk in to come and make their hair, so I have to make my own short, so I'll be able to attend to client. I'm done with the first part of the hair. I need to move to the second part of the hair, which will make me to achieve my center part of the hair. You can see a lot of people will be like, this woman is stressing yourself. But honestly speaking, I'm not stressing myself. I'm just trying to make myself feel at home. I'm just trying to tell myself I can do that thing that I've wished to do. Guys, thank you for watching to this point. I'm grateful, and don't forget, like this video, share this video, and drop your comments. If you have any style to create, let me know in the comment section, because I'll be happy to create a new style with you guys. See you guys in my next video.